Welcome back to Luxury Ride, your trusted destination for the latest car reviews, tech updates, and new vehicle reveals. If you're passionate about modern, eco-friendly vehicles and want to stay informed on the hottest upcoming models, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Lexus NX Hybrid, a compact luxury SUV that continues to strike a perfect balance between efficiency, performance, and upscale comfort. With a few subtle updates for the new model year, the NX Hybrid remains a strong contender for drivers looking to move into the premium hybrid SUV space. First impressions matter, and the 2025 NX Hybrid certainly delivers. The exterior design is sleek and refined, with a bold spindle grille up front, sharp LED headlights, and flowing body lines that give it a sculpted, athletic look. Lexus has also updated the paint palette for 2025, adding a couple of new colors to appeal to younger, trend-conscious buyers. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus NX Hybrid features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 240 horsepower. It's a setup that prioritizes smooth, efficient driving without sacrificing responsiveness. The hybrid system is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, which ensures seamless gear changes and a relaxed driving experience. All-wheel drive is standard on the hybrid model, making it a solid choice for drivers who face varying weather and road conditions. Fuel efficiency is where the NX Hybrid really shines. It delivers an impressive estimated 41 miles per gallon in the city and 37 on the highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient options in its class. Whether you're commuting through the city or heading out on a weekend getaway, you'll appreciate the fewer stops at the gas station. Step inside, and you'll find a well-crafted, tech-focused interior that emphasizes luxury and functionality. Premium materials cover every surface, and Lexus gives you plenty of customization with available color and trim options. The seats are supportive and comfortable, with available heating and ventilation, and there's plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers. The centerpiece of the cabin is the advanced infotainment system, which comes standard with a 9.8-inch touchscreen, while higher trims offer a massive 14-inch display. The system runs Lexus' latest software and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to connect your smartphone and access apps, music, and navigation on the go. A head-up display, wireless charging pad, and a premium Mark Levinson audio system are also available for those who want the full luxury tech experience. On the safety front, the 2025 NX Hybrid is equipped with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. This includes a full suite of driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, and blind spot monitoring. New for this year is an upgraded parking assist system that makes city parking a breeze, along with proactive driving assist for smoother handling in low-speed traffic. In terms of cargo space, the NX Hybrid offers around 46.9 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down. It's more than enough for groceries, luggage, or outdoor gear. A power liftgate comes standard, and higher trims offer a hands-free version for added convenience. Pricing for the 2025 Lexus NX Hybrid starts at around $44,000 and can climb into the low $50,000s depending on the trim and options. It's a fair price for a luxury hybrid SUV that delivers in almost every category: design, efficiency, comfort, and tech. So, is the 2025 Lexus NX Hybrid the right luxury SUV for you? If you're looking for a stylish, fuel-efficient vehicle with a premium interior and all the latest safety tech, this could be the perfect fit. Thanks for tuning into my channel. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, comparisons, and automotive news. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.